Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can upload Canva video on your Instagram platform. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you already created Instagram reels from that was like search for Instagram reels. Here you will get the template from that place. You can choose any of them from that place. Let's say we are going to upload this one, so I'll click on customize this one and I will just click to the download. Once I get this editing panel, you can edit all these things if you think. Just click this one, and once I click over here, just click download, and just again click to the download, and it will take a couple of minutes. Once it's done, then you just need to come over here to the Instagram. Once you come over here, then there is a couple of options you have. Just need to go to the reels. If you go to the reels, you will get the option to upload any reels over here, or you can go to the create options. Once you go over here to the create, let's say I am going to click on the create button. So the button is not working. I think there is a glitch I get on my Mozilla, so I just need to wait quite a bit. This page is slowing down Firefox, so speed up browse, stop this page. Okay, just click to the download. Let's say we are going to go to the place. Just click to the create, and once you click over here, just click to the post. Once I click over to the post again, then you will get the option to upload your reels. Like this is the personal thing I use always to upload reels over my place. Just this way, and then click to the post, and from that place I will select my videos, and then I will upload it here. Once it complete, then I will get the preview here. Okay, from that place I will select that will be a 960, and just click to the next. Once I click over here, then you can select your things from that place, then click to the next, and here you just need to provide your description. You can add location, you can add collaborator's name, accessibility, you can give some advanced setting. Once it's done, you just need to click to the share. Once you click over here, your reels will be publicly posted in Instagram. There is another way we have, that is the simplest one. When you go over here, share, you will by default see the Instagram one. Just select this one, Instagram, and immediately post from the mobile app or schedule post from the desktop. Then just click the continue, and then here you just need to connect your Instagram business by Facebook. So this is the another way. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video and the process, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.